Alright, so mommy, we realized that your son was shot and killed not too long ago in Geneva. We're really sorry to hear about that. What can you tell us about your son? What type of person was he?
Was a jovial person, Ask him to do anything. You have a bike and it have problem and you ask him and he can sort out it for you. Yeah. Call him to do anything for me, same way.
But your son, he left this morning, but where did he leave to go?
He left to go down to his brother. But after a while now, brother called me and tell his sister say he's not going to be down there, so enough he better leave the yard. But when my daughter call me now, me saying leave out already, short man, leave out already. So when me go to work now about 2:10, I get one phone call and say then kill one youth, go look for him baby mother at Geneva. And me say to the person, hang up, make me call. And me not even get the call good. Person call me, tell me say a short man dead. It's like me dey work, me not dey work. Me no know, me just no know myself and me go out then carry me go a doctor and my pressure gone up.
So you're saying that you're struggling to cope?
Yeah, right now. Right now.
How many children do you have, mommy?
7 and 7 grandchildren.
And which place does Shortman fall?
Shortman fall second to last.
What type of person? What type of person he was?
Jovial. Jovial man. Jovial, he don't keep friend. I don't know how, but most of the time he in my house, lock up in house out there, so lock up sometime with the call him. I have to go there and knock on him and say, short man. He say yes, mommy. Me say you're in there, he say yes, asleep, him asleep. But this morning night.
How old was he?
And at him about 20, about 26, 25, somewhere there.
So we realize that there are a spate of, murders in the space. Shortman would be the fifth person to be killed.
About that.
Right? And what do you think can be done? You feel like what do you think can be done? You think the soldiers should come back or tell us?
Miss, right you know, when a man want you, soldier or no soldier. That's where we reach now in life. I never know how this would have reached me, but I give God thanks still. You know, He give him to me and He see where in I hear so if you reach, can't do nothing to it. Can't do nothing.